Hello everyone, I'm Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, What Flies by Liza Charlesworth. What flies in the sky? What flies in the sky? A bee flies way up high. A bee flies way up high. A bird flies way up high. A bird flies way up high. A kite flies way up high. A kite flies way up high. A plane flies way up high. A plane flies way up high. I fly way up high. I fly way up high. But only in my dreams. But only in my dreams.